Hi, I am G. Deepika. Now I am going to give a presentation upon exploring cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. Abstract case study as JNTH Jack website, an attempt to find lacunae in the prevailing cyber laws and the IT Act 2000 and related Amendment Act 2008, CERT in and ICANN organizations. Introduction. Intelligence, artificial intelligence, web intelligence, cyber intelligence, cybercrime and forensics, cybercrime definition. Cybercrime perpetrated against a nation, a case study. State emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 for regulation of commercial and improper usage of emblem of India. Description of national emblem. Provisions. No person can use the emblem or any colorable imitation in a manner so as to create an impression that it is associated with or an official document of the central government or state government as the case may be without taking permission of the appropriate government. No person can use the emblem for commercial purpose or as an part of patent title, trademark, or design except in cases as specified by the central government. Registration of intellectual property containing the emblem is prohibited. Central government has the power to regulate and make rules for proper usage of the emblem. Usage. The official seal shall have the emblem enclosed in an oval or a round frame with the name of the ministry or department written within the frame. State government can use the emblem or a part of it after taking permission from the central government. The emblem can be displayed on important government buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Supreme Court, and Central Secretariat, Raj Bhavan or Raj Nivas, and state legislature, high courts, and secretariat buildings of the states or the union territories. Premises of India's diplomatic mission abroad, Indian consulates abroad. The state emblem of India, Regulation of Use Rules 2007 lays down the persons who can use the emblem in official stationery, cars, etc. Computer Emergency Response Team, that is CERT, team of experts at CMU, plays key role in elimination of malware and computer worms on internet. CERT in Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, formed in 2004 at New Delhi. Motto is handling computer security incidents. Functions in the area of cyber security, collection, analysis, and dissemination of information on cyber incidents, forecast and alerts of cyber security incidents, emergency measures for handling cyber security incidents, coordination of cyber incident response activities, issue guidelines, advisories, vulnerability notes and white papers relating to information security practices, procedures, prevention, response, and reporting of cyber incidents, such other functions relating to cyber security as may be prescribed. Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN. CANN coordinates the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, that is IANA functions. Key technical services critical to the continued operations of the Internet's underlying address book, the domain name system, that is DNS. The IANA functions include the coordination of the assignment of technical protocol parameters, including the management of the address and routing parameter area, that is ARPA, top level domain. The administration of certain responsibilities associated with Internet DNS root zone management, such as generic and country code top level domains, the allocation of Internet numbering resources, other services. RIPE NCC, one of the 5 regional Internet registries, RIRs, provides Internet resource allocations, registration services, and coordination activities that support the operation of the Internet globally. Cyber laws versus Indian context. Legal issues related to use of the internet, domain areas, internet access and usage, privacy, freedom of expression, and jurisdiction, provide legal recognition to e-documents, provide a framework to support e-filing and e-commerce transactions, provide a legal framework to mitigate and check cyber crimes. In India, no thorough controls for the national authorities to check and eliminate the cyber crimes perpetrated against the nation and its peoples. Indian laws are not able to devise mechanisms together with Internet Engineering Task Force, that is IETF, successfully for controlling the cyberspace. Cyber laws should be regulated such that their prevalence and provisions do not cause any threat to national sovereignties across the world. Finally, I conclude this by saying that new semantics of intelligence, which are distinguishable from general intelligence in the context of advances in the field of ICTs, explored cyber intelligence and cybercrime with by reporting a case study approach. The example of JNTS Jack website could mean that the clues or evidence of cybercrime could be difficult to capture for a general forensics expert. For example, in our case study, by manipulating the image file in the home page, the clues of cybercrime can easily be made to disappear. It is presented that the usage of the state emblem of India in a website in a way that it is prohibited by the State Emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 is a cybercrime perpetrated against India by an organized group known as JNTR Jack, which is a culprit group committing a cognizable crime. It is brought out that CERT in is a remedying organizational setting with respect to the cybercrimes in India. Further, ICANN is identified as the organization relevant to blocking a website which involves incriminating culpable content relevant to a cognizable crime. It is felt that cyberlaws are not well laid to map the cybercrimes with the resultant punishments. Thank you.